everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal. Today, we are going to build a super fun and brain boosting game in Scratch called the Math Racing Game. In this game, you will see two runners on the track. When you solve a math problem correctly, your runner will move forward. But if you get the answer wrong, the other runner gets the advantage and moves ahead instead. The first one to reach the finish line will be the winner. So, it's all about speed and accuracy in solving math sums. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to combine math with Scratch coding to create an exciting math racing challenge that's both fun and educational. So, let's get started. And before we begin, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's race into Scratch. We will start with the coding. I don't want this cat sprite, and I don't want the sprite from here too. So I have an option. I can also upload sprites and take these two sprites and one backdrop. I'll select this full. If you want to download the same sprites, you can download it from the description. So I got the sprites. I am ready. I'll just pull this like a racing track. Yes, this much is fully done. Now I'll just delete this. Duplicate. One more time I'll do duplicate. Okay, dokie. Now this will be you win. And this will be you lose. Okay, ready? And now text writing time. You lose is over here. I'll just do the font. Okay, I can keep it over here. And I'm going to change the color. I can take this pink. Done. And this for you win. For you win, the color will be blue. Okay, this blue is great. Now go to the codes. I'll keep this dog over here, this cat over here. On your mark, get set, go. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Just funny. Just set its position. First, we'll start with the stage. Go to events. Take when flag clicked. Now go to looks. Switch backdrop to backdrop. I'll name it racetrack. Okay. Switch backdrop to racetrack. And first I'll show you if the backdrop is you and now. When flag clicked. Oh, racetrack. Now, first we are going to make two variables. First variable is first number. Okay, and here second number. Here are my variables. I'll just keep it over here. Now go to control and take forever loop. Means this will repeat forever. Now go to variables. Take set first number. Operators. Pick random 1 to 100. Variables and take set again. Set second number to the same duplicate and keep it over here. First to 100. Now same thing. Take ask. Operators. Join first number. Operators join plus variables and second number. And now I can set the dog and cat's position. When flag clicked, motions go to x minus 199 and y negative 38. Now cat, when flag clicked, motion go to x and y. X negative 183, y 49. Oh, on their position back. And the question came. It's working great. Now go to the backdrops. Control, if then block. Operators equals to plus if variables first number plus second number is equal to sensing answer. This answer is over here. Oh, sorry. You can keep this over here. Take this out. Control. And you can take if then else block. Now the same code I will keep it over here. Go to events and take this broadcast. New message. Right answer. Right answer. Okay, and now control. Take wait 3 seconds. You can just duplicate this. Put it over here. And now a new message. Wrong answer. Okay, this is fully done. Now go to the dog. Go to events. Take when I receive right answer. Sound. Oh, sounds. There is no sound. I can select a sound. Go to choose the sound. Now I will take this bark sound. Little bit softer. This much is okay. Now go to the codes. Take place sound bark until done. Motion. Move 60 steps. Looks. Take say. Say your answer is right for 2 seconds. Your answer is right. Go to control. Take if then. If sensing. Touching color. Touching color red. Events. Broadcast. Say broadcast. You win. Okay. And now looks. Say for 1 second. This say hello for 1 second will come above. We will not write hello. We will write you win for 1 second. Now control and stop all. Done. I'll just take this code and keep it in the cat. Go to the cat and look, the same code came here too. Now we will take a wrong answer over here. New message, you lose. And here also, you lose. And here, your answer is wrong. If your answer is wrong, say for 2 seconds, and this much is fully done. Now I'll show you the effect. Oh, a number came. 81 plus 7. Oh, look at the first number. First number is 81. 81. Second number is 7. 7. Oh, great. 88. Oh, yay. I think you can also put wait 0.5 seconds. So I think there will be a effect. 79. Okay, 79. Enter. Oh yeah, great. And over here also I can put 0.5 seconds. Okay, this plus this. Oh, a little hard question. 105. Oh yay, it's right answer. Our game is going amazing. It's looking like that cat and dog are having a real math racing game. Now go to the backdrops. Almost the coding is done. Just you need to duplicate this full and keep it over here and over here. Just you can change negative sign. This means minus. And over here instead of this, go to operators. Take the second block. Just put first number over here, second number over here, and put it over here. And this delete. You know what we are doing? We are also adding multiplication, division, and subtraction instead of only addition. In this, you can learn how to do 4 of the matrix like division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. I can duplicate it one more time. Just put it over here. This is going to be a big code. I just took a short trick, duplicate it and keep it so that it could not take so much time. Over here, I can take a multiplication sign. Great. Okay. And over here, just take this out. The same thing we are going to do. Delete and take this third one. Just put it over here. And now the last division. Just duplicate it. Put it over here. And over here, I'll take the division sign. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Over here you can take 10 so that it could be a little bit easy. Second number will be in middle of 1 and 10. And it can also come multiply by 1, multiply by 10, like that. And over here the same. Just delete a 0 and done. Just take this out. Now, take this multiplication sign. Take one more second number. And again keep it over here. You know what we are doing over here? For division, it can also come in a decimal number. So, I don't want that decimal. I want the simple one number. One or any number. But not in decimal form. So, that is why we are taking this multiplication sign. And over here, the same. And just the sounds are left. Oh, instead of this, we need to go to the sounds and take a new sound. Meow. Meow. Okay, great. Good. Meow. And backdrops. Go to events and take when I receive. You lose sounds, not pop sound. Disconnect and disconnect. Okay. And one more sound, that is fairy dust. We can also find from here. Oh yeah. Okay, it's this much. When I receive, you lose. Please sound. Disconnect until done. And looks. Switch backdrop to you lose. And just duplicate this. Put it over here. You win. Backdrop you win. And fairy dust. Okay, our game is fully ready. Let's see the game on full screen. Okay, stop. And restart. Okay, 84 plus 94. 4 plus 4 is 8. 80 plus 90, it's 170. 78. Oh yeah, 178. And enter. Oh yay. My answer was right. Now this minus this. Okay, 12. Enter. Oh yay. 43 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 86. Oh yeah. Pop up in my mind. Oh yay. This is a little bit hard. 32 will come in 4. 41. Oh yeah. Very easy, I think. Right answer. 108. Again. Okay, 3 answer. And the last multiplication is 65. Enter. Oh yay! I win! Oh, the sound came. You win. And now wrong answer time. 52. 62. Oh yeah, right answer. Wrong answer. 51. Oh yeah, that was correct. Seriously, I knew that. 114. Oh yeah. 65. Oh yeah. Oh, wrong answer. And 84 plus 95. 179. Oh yeah, that was correct. 61. Oh no, what was the answer? I don't know. Wrong answer. This is a very big number. 73. Seriously, the answer is 73. That was right. And 95. Oh no, I lose this time. The sound disconnect. That is written you lose. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.